So first we're going to remove our 5 19mm lug nuts. Take off the wheel. So here's our sway bar link. Right up here, there's an 18mm nut. And then this side, you're going to use an 18mm as well. Hold your sway bar link, use an 18mm, and remove the lower bolt. All right, so we had our kit. It came looking like this. What you do is you take a little bit of caliper grease or whatever type of lube you might have, go all along in here, just like that. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your little blue bushings, lay it down just like this, take a rubber mallet, bonk. Same thing with this one. Line it up, bonk, bonk. Do the same to both sides. Use a little bit more of your grease. Go right along this. Take one of these. Carefully install it through the center. Do the same to the other side. Make sure that you have your link facing the right way. All right, so let's tighten this up. Use your 18mm wrench, your 18mm on the other side. That's tight. Go right down here, tighten this one up. Perfect. All right, so let's get the wheel back up on here. Bottom these out. All right, so let's go ahead and torque down these lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Perfect.